Welcome back to our channel. If you're an electrician, you know that having the right ladder can make all the difference when it comes to safety and efficiency on the job. Today, we're reviewing the top 7 ladders for electricians in 2024. From versatile multi-purpose options to sturdy fiberglass models, we've got the best picks that will help you get the job done safely and effectively. Let's dive into our top choices. Number 1. Juskys Aluminium Multi-Purpose Ladder. Starting with the Juskys Aluminium Multi-Purpose Ladder, this versatile tool is designed to adapt to a variety of tasks, making it a great choice for electricians who need flexibility on the job. Made from durable aluminium, this ladder is both lightweight and robust, providing a stable platform for a range of applications. Its multi-position capability allows it to be used as an A-frame, extension ladder, or even a scaffold. The ladder features anti-slip feet that enhance stability, reducing the risk of accidents. It can support up to 330 pounds, making it suitable for heavy-duty tasks. The rungs are wide and well-spaced, ensuring comfort and reducing fatigue during prolonged use. The ladder's folding mechanism is smooth and efficient, allowing for easy transportation and storage. Additionally, the Juskys ladder is equipped with a safety locking system that secures the ladder in various configurations, ensuring stability and safety during use. Whether you're working on electrical panels or high ceilings, this ladder's adaptability and safety features make it an essential tool for any electrician. Number 2. KINGRACK 4 Steps Folding Step Stool. Next on our list is the KINGRACK 4 Steps Folding Step Stool. This step stool is ideal for electricians who need a compact yet sturdy ladder for reaching lower heights. Constructed from high-quality steel, the KINGRACK stool offers a stable and reliable platform. The non-slip steps are designed to provide excellent traction, ensuring safe use even in slippery conditions. The stool features a convenient folding design, making it easy to store and transport. Despite its compact size, it can support up to 330 pounds, making it suitable for a range of tasks. The top step includes a built-in handle that offers extra stability when climbing or descending. Its lightweight construction means it can be easily moved around job sites, and the stool's small footprint makes it perfect for tight spaces. For electricians who need a dependable and portable solution for lower elevation tasks, the KINGRACK 4 Steps Folding Step Stool provides a practical and effective option. Number 3. DRABEST Leiter PRO Serie Trittleiter. At number 3, we have the DRABEST Leiter PRO Serie Trittleiter. This premium step ladder is designed with a focus on durability and safety. Constructed from heavy-duty aluminium, it offers a robust and stable platform for a variety of tasks. The ladder's wide steps are equipped with a non-slip surface, providing secure footing even in challenging conditions. The DRABEST ladder features a unique design with reinforced joints and a strong support structure, which enhances its overall stability and longevity. It includes a tool tray at the top, which is incredibly useful for keeping essential tools and materials within easy reach, reducing the need for frequent trips up and down the ladder. The ladder's lightweight design makes it easy to move and reposition, while its foldable construction allows for compact storage. It also features a safety lock mechanism that keeps the ladder securely in place during use. For electricians looking for a reliable and well-engineered step ladder, the DRABEST Leiter PRO Serie Trittleiter delivers both performance and safety. Number 4. Electricians Fibreglass Step Ladder. Coming in at number 4 is the Electricians Fibreglass Step Ladder. This ladder is specifically designed for electricians, offering a range of features that prioritize safety and durability. Made from high-quality fiberglass, it is non-conductive, making it a safe choice for electrical work. The fiberglass construction is also highly resistant to weathering, ensuring long-term durability. The ladder features wide, slip-resistant steps that provide a stable and comfortable standing surface. The top of the ladder includes a tool tray and multiple slots for holding tools, which is ideal for electricians who need to keep their equipment handy. The ladder's heavy-duty design supports up to 375 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. Its stability is further enhanced by the large, non-slip feet that provide a secure grip on various surfaces. The ladder is easy to transport and set up, and its fiberglass material ensures that it remains strong and reliable over time. For electricians seeking a durable and safe ladder, the XL Electricians Fibreglass Step Ladder is a top choice. Number 5. Songmics 6 Steps Step Ladder. Next, we have the Songmics 6 Steps Step Ladder. This ladder is designed for versatility and ease of use, making it a great option for electricians who need to reach higher elevations safely. The ladder is constructed from high-grade aluminium, which provides both strength and lightweight portability. The Songmics ladder features 6 wide anti-slip steps that offer a comfortable and secure standing surface. The ladder's design includes a safety rail at the top, which provides additional support and stability when working at height. The feet are equipped with rubber pads to prevent slipping and protect floors from damage. One of the standout features of this ladder is its folding mechanism, which allows for easy storage and transport. When not in use, the ladder can be compactly folded to save space. Additionally, the Songmics ladder is designed to support up to 330 pounds, making it suitable for a variety of tasks. For electricians who need a reliable and versatile ladder for reaching higher areas, the Songmics 6 Steps Step Ladder is an excellent choice. Number 6. Hailo ComfortLine XXR Aluminium Ladder. At number 6, we have the Hailo ComfortLine XXR Aluminium Ladder. This ladder is known for its exceptional build quality and user-friendly features. Made from high-quality aluminium, it combines strength with lightweight portability. The ComfortLine XXR is designed to provide stability and safety with its wide anti-slip steps and reinforced side rails. The ladder includes a unique feature, a tool platform that provides a convenient workspace for holding tools and materials. This feature is particularly useful for electricians who need to keep their equipment within reach while working. The Hailo ladder's feet are equipped with non-slip caps that ensure a secure grip on various surfaces, enhancing overall safety. Its design also includes a safety rail for added stability, and the ladder can support up to 330 pounds. The Hailo ComfortLine XXR is easy to set up and fold, making it a practical choice for electricians who need a reliable ladder that is both functional and portable. For those seeking a high-quality ladder with advanced features, the Hailo ComfortLine XXR is a top contender. Number 7. EINFEBEN 5 meters Aluminium Telescopic Ladder. Finally, we have the EINFEBEN 5 meters Aluminium Telescopic Ladder. This ladder is designed for maximum versatility and portability, making it an ideal choice for electricians who need to reach varying heights with ease. The telescopic design allows the ladder to extend up to 5 meters, providing ample reach for high tasks. When collapsed, it is compact and easy to transport. The ladder is constructed from durable aluminium, which ensures strength and stability while remaining lightweight. The rungs are designed with a non-slip surface to provide secure footing during use. Additionally, the ladder features safety locks on each section to prevent accidental collapsing while in use, enhancing overall safety. Its versatility makes it suitable for a range of applications, from accessing high ceilings to working on electrical panels. The EINFEBEN ladder's easy-to-use telescopic mechanism and compact storage design make it a practical choice for electricians who need a flexible and reliable ladder for various tasks. For those seeking an adaptable and sturdy ladder, the EINFEBEN 5 meters Aluminium Telescopic Ladder is an excellent option. And that wraps up our review of the top 7 ladders for electricians in 2024. Each of these ladders offers unique features and benefits to help you work safely and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.